Yes,
Yes, sir.
fine. So these are the ideas. Properties are represented by variables, and the other one is actions will be also there. Actions can be represented by actions are represented through
Methods.
methods. Exactly. One
Methods.
important interview question is lying here. What is the difference between a function and a method? Simple question. Especially a fresher like you are supposed to get these kind of questions. What is the difference between a function and a method? See, if two guys are attending for an interview, the first
Okay.
one, A and B, A is going to answer like this. See, sir, in C++, in C and C, in C, we call them as functions, sir. In Java, we call them as methods, sir. He will tell like that. See the answer, the way they are answering. A is answering like this. Sir, I learned both C and Java. In C language, we call them as functions. In Java, we call them as methods, he's telling. But see how the other one is answering. Sir, method is a function. Method is a or function is a
Function.
method. Method is a function present in a class.
Class.
Is a function present in a class. See my answer. I will write here, otherwise you can understand. A method is a function present inside what? Inside a
Class.
exactly. Method is a function present inside a class. Who is getting much impressed? Who is getting A or B? See,
Obviously, B, sir.
A is telling simply that yeah, functions are present in C language, methods are present in Java, because many faculty will teach like that. In books also they will write like that. But what we are saying with our experience, method is a function. You are also telling both are same, isn't it? Method is a function, but you are adding one more thing to that. What is that?
And inside a class.
Means you are telling one difference between the two or not? I think you are
Yes,
good
sir.
in C also. You had your C also in your first year,
Yes,
I
sir.
guess. Huh?
Yes,
In
sir.
C, we call them as. Is there any class in C language?
No, sir. Nothing.
No. In
It's
C++, it is there, and of course, there they are called as member functions. That is different. In C, we call them as functions. In C++, we call them as member functions. In Java, we call them as methods.
methods.
Just like we are having different soaps, just brand name is different, but inside code is same. If you haven't had two numbers, same logic will be there. Just brands are different. C,
Okay.
C++, Java. That's it. Just like soaps or any other product, right? So you are also
Okay,
telling
sir.
same, but one difference you are highlighting, the way you are going to impress an interviewer, that matters a lot. You will add all these points. So method is, you should be different when answering when compared with others. Method is a function present inside a class. That's it. So you are having much more clarity with the way you are talking. Yes, fine. Now let us go with our ideas here. I am not discussing about this public in this class, because a long way to go. After 15 or 16 or even 20 classes, I am going to discuss about that public. During access specifiers topic, separate topic is there, like private, protected, public, no modifier. 4 types of access specifiers are there. Then I can discuss about those access specifiers. Okay. So till then, believe that it is whether you write public or don't write public, it doesn't really matter. Okay, it doesn't really matter.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Now see, what are your ideas? First, let me go with some variables. Let me go with some variables. Comments I will discuss later on. Don't worry about these comments. Already you know Java, that's why I need not stress on it right now. Even if you don't know Java also, no problem. At appropriate time I will discuss about those comments. Comments will not be considered by your compiler Java C. Fine, see here. Uh, we are going with some variables first of all. Fine. What are the variables? So dog will be having some a's, int a's is equal to say 5 years. Okay, fine. Some it will be having some height, float height. Float height is equal to say 3.25 or 3.55 limit. Okay, 3.55. F you have to write. As far as float is concerned, F you have to write. Okay, fine. Now these are the two variables which I am going with. And other than this, I want to go with some actions, and actions are represented through methods in Java. So one or two new people joined. I know that they are very much beginners. Electronics community EC, one EC student is also there. Uh, don't bother. I will take separate demo for you as well. Other than this, this is for those who already had in the past methods. So what are the methods? Dog can bark. Methods you write like this. I will explain about this void wait during public static void main. I will discuss about that void and all those things, static, non-static, everything I will discuss. Don't worry. At appropriate time, I will discuss appropriate things. Don't worry. So system.out.print. Don't worry. I will analysis this also in this class itself. Println or print you can write. Go with println option. Dog barks. Fine. Dog barks. Fine. Yes. Done. Now I just want to go with I just want to move with one more method, that is dog bites. Dog bite. This bite is at another method. So in that again I am copying and pasting this code. Copy, paste. Dog bites. Don't play with it. Fine, that's it. Okay, fine, done, everything done. But these are all your ideas only. What can you do with ideas? You have to shape that into object or not? Tell me.
Yes.
You have to shape that into object or not? Yes. Now let me shape that into object. See here I am shaping that. I am going with another method called as public static void main. Inside that, I will discuss about that. Don't worry. Just be patient. Show a little bit patience. Let me share your notepad and create object. How to create object I will explain through notepad. Some theory is there to explain. Yes. Now we are discussing about object. Fine. This is the right time. How to create an object. See, for example, cell phone is an object or not? Already I explained what is class, what is object. Cell phone is an object or not? Please tell me. Class,
Yes.
animal, object, cell phone. Cell phone is an object. Yes. Samsung or whatever it may be. Samsung mobile is an object. Fine. Fine. So cell phone will be having, a Samsung mobile will be having so many properties, you know. So many properties are there or not? Some color will be there. Some phones will be black. Some will be silver coated. Some will be white, like that. And some other features, height, weight, etc. will be there as well, right? And other than those properties, it is also having some actions, you know. What are the actions being provided by mobile? Tell me, please. What are the
Actions.
actions? Yeah. You can accept
Call.
a call. Yeah, you can accept a call. You can reject a call. You can send a message. And you can play some audio. You can play some music. You can go for FM or something like that. Yes, a number of options are available. You can browse. You can chat, whatnot. So these are all actions. And my question is, if you don't touch your cell phone, will it work for you? Tell me. If you don't touch your cell phone, your mobile, will it work for you? Please tell me.
No, sir.
Yes, exactly. There you are. See, you purchase an object. Even dog, if it is sleeping. Unless and until you do something, it won't bark, it won't bite. Right? Am I right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
When it is having some tendency to do, then only it will do that action, you know. So object is there, but how to invoke an object and how to create an object? First of all, how to create? Let me talk about creation. See, our class is animal. Okay, fine. Animal is the class and dog is the reference. This is the reference. This is not the object here. So reference is created. Reference is nothing but a variable. The variable is created. Variable created. So if I say lion is there, along with you guys, lion is there. Will you believe that? No, you can't believe that. Why? If real lion is there, it will occupy some space. Yes or no? It will occupy some
Yes.
space or not? Yes. So I have created only reference, that is variable. But how to create space for that dog, you know? Dog is equal to new space animal. This code may be a little bit difficult. I will give shortcut. Wait for a while. Now object is created. How we can say that object is created, you know? I'll explain. Wait. Object is created. See, new is there now. New keyword I used here. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
New means memory is allocated. Memory is whenever in your programs in the coming days you are going to see hundreds of applications. So whenever you see an operator called as new, a keyword called as new, it means object is done, object is created. At times you may not see this code. I'm just highlighting. See, only new animal may be there. At times only I will write like this. Means you have to believe that object is there. Even if I write like this in single line, yes, object is there. But any name for that object? No. Just a minute, I call him. Hello, yes. Yeah. The right time after 1 hour. Okay, fine. See, this is the object, new animal. Yeah, it is also an object. See, some objects will be there in this universe. Their names will not be there. For instance, if you go to a different place, unknowingly, if you are hungry, you are going to take some food. You don't know the name of that food, but yet we are taking that or not. Or even at times you are going to see some insects. We don't know their names. They are also objects. You are believing. Why? Because they are occupying some space. They are occupying some space.
Yes.
Yes or no? Occupying some space. Yes, damn sure. They are going to occupy some space. Yes, perfect. That is why wherever you encounter new operator, yes, fine. You can consider that as an object. Okay, fine. Leave this step. This will come in your advanced applications. Later on, I will discuss. Leave it. So, but this looks clumsy. I will put this in another shape, or you can write like this. You can create object like this. See what I'm doing. I'm clubbing those step number 1 and step number 2. I'm going to club here like this. See here what I'm doing. Just see here. Just be watchful. Step number 1 and 2. I'm combining here. Animal space dog is equal to new animal. This is the kind of code which you are well versed with in your engineering. Am I right? Isn't it? This is the kind of code which you have done in the past so many times. Yes. So if you combine step number 1 and step number 2, unnecessarily I'm writing dog twice, you know, here and here. This I am equating with the other one. Okay, done?
Yes.
Yes. You understood how to create object. So object is created just like cell phone is purchased, but will it do any work for you? No, you have to invoke the methods. How to invoke the methods? Invoke is nothing but calling. I told earlier, na? See, you are going on a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. You got your vehicle repaired. Immediately you are calling to a mechanic or not? Are you calling a mechanic or not?
Yes, sir.
Immediately mechanic is coming to your place and doing all the task or not? Task, I am saying. Work or not?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. That work is done by whom? Method. In C language, functions will do a task. In Java, methods will do task. Methods will do a task, or methods will do work. Methods will do work. So how to invoke? How to invoke? How to call? Just see. Invoke a method. How to invoke? Let us see how to invoke a method. So I told earlier, if you don't touch mobile, will it work? If you want to make a call
Yes,
without touching, can you do? Don't talk about Bluetooth and all those things. Generally speaking, without touching a mobile, can you make a call or can you do any operation? No. So how to
No,
invoke?
sir.
You have to do with your fingers something like this and that. So here also see what is the object which you have created? Dog. Dog dot bark. That is the way to
Bark.
invoke. That is the way to call. That is the way to invoke a method. Dog dot bite. This is the way to invoke a method. So now I get back to coding portion. I will implement all these things. You can understand. See what I'm doing. See what I'm doing inside your main method. Generally, your main method is designed for this purpose. That is creating an object and invoking the whole lot of methods. Like first, let us create an object. First step. See, create an object. Create an object. How to create an object? Just now I told you how to create. Please tell me.
Ani-
Animal space.
Animal
Animal
Our animal is
dog
here.
space
Is
object
equal
dog
name
equals
to
to
new animal. That's
new
it.
animal
Yes, that's
and
it. Done.
class
method.
object.
But it is of no use. Ideas are there. Doc can perform so many actions, so many properties are there with it, so many actions are there. How to invoke them? Yes. Dog dot bark. Yes. Dog dot bark. Otherwise, see, that is the advantage of IDE. If you are typing, it will give some hints. Later on, you can practice that. But in the beginning classes, I am not taking those considerations. I'm just typing to let you know what I'm doing. Dog bite. Yes. Sorry. Dog bite. Yes. So called. Done. Application is done. This is the total program. You are having, just read the comments. You are having some ideas. Yes. You can write comments anywhere in the program, and three types of comments are there. Later on, I will speak about those comments. This is not the perfect time to talk about them. And of course, I used C++ comments in my program. C++ comments are allowed. C comments are also allowed. And other than this, Java doc. Can you find here? Java doc. Can you see here? Have you heard about that?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard in your engineering? Java doc.
No, sir.
Java documentation comments. Third type of comments are also there. Later on, I will speak about that. Don't worry. So let me execute. How to execute? Either you can click run, or here you can see a triangle shape facing towards the right hand side. Either you can click that also. Immediately you'll get like this. Say okay. Say okay. See, yeah, this is your console. Can you see here output? Can you see the
Yes,
output
sir.
there? Yes, perfectly
Yes, sir.
executed. Yes, the program is perfectly executed. So that is called as console. You can extend your console like this. You can do these things once you install your. This is not a great job, you know. Just install that, it will do. That's it. That is the output. You might have done with the CMD till now,
Yes, sir.
but once you do a couple of applications on Eclipse, you feel a lot of comfort. And moreover, in your real time also, you should know how to perform your projects in Eclipse. That's why better you get associated with this from here onwards. If you go to interview and if you say that I have done in CMD, it is not good all the time, you know. You should be having some little bit awareness. Fine. So this is how the first application is done. Now just to go through the application, any problems in the application I have done along with you only. I have started with a class by name animal, which is having some ideas, and ideas are nothing but properties and actions, and properties are represented by variables in Java, and actions are represented by methods in Java.
That's
You know what are variables? Yeah, dog is having some age, some height. Okay, fine. And then some methods are there. If you want, you can go with another one also. String, name. Yeah, you can go with one more idea. Yes, name is equal to, generally names we put in double quotes. You know, inside double quotes you are supposed to write Snoopy, dog name. I'm writing as Snoopy. Okay, fine. Dog name is Snoopy. Again, I'm going to execute CC. Okay, dog barks. But why it is not coming? You know, see, I'm adding one more method. I want to display the properties of a dog. See what I'm doing. I'm adding one more method. I'm adding one more method. See, void show underscore properties. Properties I want to see. Properties of dog I want to see. I'm writing here. Inside that, system dot out dot print. I will write. See what I'm doing. Copy. I'll give some exercise also later on. First feature is dog's name na. Dog's name. Yes, this is the way you can code na. Dog's name is equal to, fine. This is called as concatenation operator. I will discuss. Don't worry. Within few minutes you can't get all these things. I will take enough time to explain these things. Don't worry. So what is the variable name? Name na. Name, yeah, that
Yes,
name
sir.
you
Name.
have to join. That name you have to join. Close that. Fine. One more time. Paste it. Next one is dogs. Dogs is equal to, yes, fine, concatenation operator, and then
Age.
yes, that is a variable name, yes, fine. And then the other one is height. Dog is having some height as well, yes. Dogs is equal to, fine.
HT.
HT, fine, great. Now let me execute this application. That's it. Why we are not getting? Why?
We did not invoke it.
Not invoke,
No.
yeah. Cell phone is
Sir.
having so many methods, I told, but in a single click, you don't invoke all the methods. No, it is not
Yes,
possible.
sir.
Single click for accept a call or reject a call or switch on FM or something like that. Now I want to invoke that also. Anywhere you can invoke, yeah. Dog dot, what is that method? Show prop. Yes, exactly. Show prop. Yes. Close the brackets, semicolon. That's it. Now execute. Yes. Now you should get. Yes. Perfect. Dog's name. Yes, I did not type. That's why I did not go here. Here I did not type. Yes. Sorry. Yes. Got it? Dog's name Snoopy.
Yes, sir.
Dog's age 5. Dog's height. Dog barks. Dog bites. Don't play with it. That's it. Got it? Fine. This is the basic application, but I did not talk anything about public static void main system.out.print. This is the basic application. I will come back with this. Shall I discuss about public static void main and system.out.print in this class? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
How do you feel about the class? Is it going well? Any
Yes,
improvisation
sir. It's
required?
going.
Fine, fine. See, now let me discuss about that. In Notepad, I will discuss about that. I'm just trying to combine theory and applications. And like this, all of your classes will be in the coming days as well. Let me discuss about, can you share my notepad? Can you see the sharing of my notepad? Is it under
Yes, sir.
sharing? No, I think. Is it under sharing or
It's
not? Yeah,
sharing.
yeah, it is, yes, fine. Yes. Uh, see, public static void main. What is the meaning of this? See, public static main. And inside that, you write some code like this. Let me talk about this. So, those who already knew little bit about Java, you people, three of you can easily understand. The remaining two, it takes time because they are freshers and they don't know anything about Java. I have like a separate class where I can go through applications in a different way. Okay, fine, leave it. So, public. Why should we write public? You know, the previous application is there now. Let me come back to previous application. Let me talk little more about that. Little more about that. Where is that? So, yes. See here. This is your first application which I explained. So program execution always starts from main method. You might be knowing that, especially CSC students. You might be knowing that pretty well. Program execution always starts from the opening brace of the main method. If it is C language, also same story. Program execution starts from main function. If it is C++,
Yes,
program
sir.
execution starts from there also main only. Here also same story. Okay, that is the gateway. And who will execute your application? You know, who is going to execute your Java application? JVM, Java Virtual Machine. That's why theory is also important. In the next session, I'm going to discuss about JVM, and before that, few more theory points are there. Don't worry. So JVM is going to execute your program from the main method. First, what it does, you
Yes,
know,
sir.
first it will see this statement whether it is correctly or not. See, a small example I'm going to tell you. See, shall I compare with this one small practical example?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't know what is happening in your place is Vizag. Okay, fine. Vizag. It is raining here in Kolhapur. Okay, fine. See here, I want to meet one person. He's my friend. He want to get appointed in my university here. Okay, mine is a university here. He wants to get appointed in university as a faculty, and he came to this place in Maharashtra, very new to this place, by bus. And one of my student, I asked him, "Can you please go to bus station to pick up my friend?" Okay, I can give my vehicle
Okay.
keys to you. Immediately, is he going straight away, or he's going to ask something about him or not? He's going to ask something about him
Yes,
or
sir.
not? Yes. He's going to ask me,
Yes, sir.
"Sir, how can I recognize your friend in bus station? I never saw him. How can I recognize him? You have given your vehicle keys. Okay, fine. Nevertheless, how can I recognize him?" He is going to ask in such a way. Then I'm going to tell him, I'm going to make a call to my friend. "Can you please tell how you are dressed and what you are carrying? Because my student is going to come and pick you." Immediately, he's going to tell that, "Yeah, I'm wearing a white shirt with a black pant, white shirt and a black pant, and I'm going to carry an umbrella as well, and I'm going to carry one suitcase or something like that, and I'm wearing a cap as well. That color is red, and at times I may remove my cap, or I can hold with my hands also. These are my identities." He is going to tell like that. Then immediately this fellow is going there to bus station, and there so many people are there. Huh? So many people are going to wear white shirt and black pant. If he's going to catch one among them and bring to me, I will scold him or not.
Yes, sir.
I told clearly that not only white shirt and black pant, he should be carrying an umbrella, a suitcase, and some more things like a cap. That cap he may be wearing on his head, or he may be carrying with his hand, isn't it? In a similar way here also, see, let me compare that with our public static void main. Wait. See here, public static void main, you have to write like this. Otherwise, just a minute. Otherwise, you can also write like this. See, static. This is also correct. I told you now, cap can be, he can wear cap on his head, or he can carry with his hand. So both are correct. So JVM can recognize either that statement or this statement. Public, public, static public, void,
Void main.
main, within bracket, string, your genes. Otherwise, and don't forget, JVM is also a program. Java Virtual Machine is also a program. It is going to execute your program. Okay, it is going to execute your program. And one more important thing I want to talk. Wait, why we should write public? Please ask if I don't forget anyway. I will explain that also. Wait for a while. So another way is also there for writing this. That is public static void main within bracket. You can write like this also. String also. So JVM can accept these three kinds of statements. Either you can write like this. Mostly adoptable things. These are either like this or like this. Because JVM can recognize only these three formats. Are you able to understand? Because it is
Yes,
coded
sir.
like that. JVM is also a program, I'm telling you. So generally compilers, interpreters, generally they are going to design using C language, because in C pointers concept is there, you know. So generally they are going to
Yes,
design
sir.
using C language. Just a minute. Just let me, just a minute. I want to call this. See, so generally JVM is also a program designed using C language only. JVM is a program, is an application. JVM is an application. What is the difference between program and application? Can you answer? See, again, I'm telling you one small story. A and B are there attending for an interview. A is telling that, "Yes, sir, yeah, sir, in my college days, I have done hundreds of programs, sir. I can do this job." He's telling like that. Another person B is going to answer like this. See, "Yes, sir, I have done n number of applications in the past." See, which is better option? Can you please tell? A or B?
Yes.
Yes.
A is going to tell like, sir, in my college days, I have done hundreds of programs. And what B is telling, he's having little awareness. He's telling like, yeah, I have done a number of applications of my own. He's telling. He didn't tell that so and so sir explained me, Srinivas sir explained me, or XYZ explained me, or I have taken tuition somewhere. He's just telling that, see the confidence. I have done a number of applications in the past of my own with little basics which were taught in the class. Great, na? That fellow is great, no?
Yes.
Because immediately interviewer will get such an impression, because even if, see, nowadays everybody is learning outside, but even if you learn outside, don't tell I learned somewhere. Okay, you tell that, be confident telling that in my college they are taught with a little bit exposure, and of my own I learned a number of things. You can answer in that way. It shows that, see, if a job is given to this guy, he can do it of his own, isn't it? It counts or not?
Yes, sir.
I am going to interview you. Obviously, who is going to tell like that? I will get attracted because you are the right person who is capable of doing these things. You things. Okay, fine. Leave it. JVM is also a program written using which language? C language. So it is coded. Program means what? It is full of code. So program means small programs, but application means more lines of code. App application means more lines of code. Programs means maybe finding a square root, finding simple interest. These are all programs. If you do a real-time application, that is application. That is a slight difference between program and application. So how you are getting upper hand over the other? You are saying application. Application means a lot of lines of code you have generated during your days. That's how you are talking. Okay, fine. JVM is being, it is also a code. It is going to recognize your main method in one of the three ways. Got it? That's why don't do any other thing other than these statements. And let me discuss about public. What is the meaning of public? Public. Why shouldn't I write private? Okay, very important thing. Majority, I spent time these 16 years with so many students, but not even a single student answered correctly. If I go to a software company to meet some of my friends, they will answer correctly. If I ask them, they can answer. Even if I ask so many college faculties or university faculties, they won't answer this. Public. Why we should write public? Can you tell me? Why can't I write private? See, one small comparison.
So that we can access what
See,
the
okay, some answers are there, but in an attractive way, you should be able to answer that. See, public, private. You heard about public gardens, private gardens. What is the difference? In Hyderabad, public gardens is there, Public gardens.
sir.
Anybody can go inside. Public gardens, anybody can go. Private property. In Jubilee Hills, some VIPs will be having private properties,
Yes, sir.
We are not authorized to allow to enter inside private property, being a private property, isn't it? Huh? So, who is going to execute your program? Please tell me. Who is going to execute your program? JVM or anybody else? Huh?
JVM.
JVM, na? So, if you are making your program starting gateway, entrance itself as private, can it enter into your program? If you make your entry point as private, it is my own program, I won't enter outsider to enter into my program. Will it accept? If you write private, can JVM enter into your program? No.
no, sir.
Yeah, but who has to enter into your program? JVM has to enter into your program.
JVM has to
That's
enter.
why you have to make your program starting itself as public. Public should be done. That is a strong reason. If somebody is going to ask an interview, why should we write public in public static void main? Especially freshers are supposed to get asked with such questions, Why should we write public there? Why not private? The simple answer is, see sir, my program execution gets started from public static void main. And JVM is going to execute my application, and it always starts from main method. And if I make my main method as private, how can JVM understand the whole lot of code given inside? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Got that point? Yeah. Now we'll come back to application. Talk a little bit about that. Wait. See here. Yes, this is the program. See here. From here, program execution starts. Public is written. Okay, fine. It entered into the program. I discuss about static void. Wait for a while. See, what
Okay,
is the
sir.
first step present inside the program? Please tell me. What is the first step present?
Object creation.
Yes, object is created. Immediately JVM will check, is there any animal class in this program or not? It will check. Animal class is there? Yes. At the top it is there. It will accept that. New is there? Yes. Memory is allocated. For what?
Memory is allocated.
For dog. For dog, memory is allocated. If I don't write this, don't worry about dog. There is no dog in the house, isn't it?
Memory is not allocated.
If I don't write this highlighted portion, is there any dog?
No, sir.
No. If I write this, then only dog is there. Means memory is allocated. Yes, real dog is there. Now, JVM skips to the next statement. First, in the first statement, there is no error. That's why it will go to the next statement. Methods, execution, invoking methods is getting started now. Invoking
Yes, sir.
methods. Yes.
Methods.
Invoking methods. So JVM will take the first statement. What you are doing? Object dot show prop. Immediately, this is called as call. Function call, you know. Have you heard about
Yes,
in
sir.
C language? Function call.
Yes,
But here
sir.
don't call
Calls
them
the
as
function.
functions. Functions are
Call
methods in
methods.
Java. Present inside class.
Class.
Functions
Class.
are methods. Methods are functions. Present inside class. Yes. So you are calling a function. You are invoking a method. You are invoking a method. Now see the comment. Invoking methods. Yes.
Invoking methods.
Control immediately transfers from here to function definition. Where is that? Here it is. Yes.
Show properties.
Code. This code will be executed. Okay. Getting that point? That
Yes,
code
sir.
will be executed. Whatever you are executing there, it will be done. Yes, I got the output up to there. Then again, control transfers here. What is the next statement? Dog dot
Dog dot bark.
So control transfers to bark code. This
Bark.
code will be executed. This code will be executed. Then next, dog dot bite. This
Bite.
code will be also executed. Okay. That is the task. Who will execute? JVM will execute. It is the execution engine. So JVM is going to do all these tasks, but it has to enter into your program. That's why you have to make your entry point as public. Got that
Public.
point? Yes, that's why you have to
Yes,
make
sir.
the entry point as public. Fine. Now, see here. Again, I am sharing my notepad. Now, why should we write static? I told that story. So JVM can only recognize your main method should be always static. Please remember, main method should be always static. There are two types of methods: static method, non-static methods. You know, have you heard about that? Static, I mean, variables can be static, or also methods can be also can be also static. Similarly what? Non-static. Talking about non-static, variables can be non-static. Similarly, methods can be also non-static. So two types of things are there. But as far as main method is concerned, it should be always static only. Then only JVM can recognize. Okay? I will discuss during JVM architecture. Class loader subsystem is there. JVM architecture is a 5 marks interview question. Class loader subsystem will be there, loading your classes, and then that is divided into 5 different areas. I will discuss during JVM architecture about those issues where they are getting executed, static methods, non-static methods, all these things I will discuss. Don't worry about that. But please, yes.
Difference between a static and non-static things, sir. I mean.
Yes. See, there are some advantages when you are going with static. Similarly, there are some disadvantages also. When you go with a static method, there are some advantages as well as disadvantages. So let me talk about advantages. Wait. As far as advantages are concerned, majority static variables, static methods, they are all predefined. See, for example, main is predefined or not? Huh?
Yes, sir, predefined.
And in every program, almost all every program, are you using main method or not in your Java?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So
yes.
that is the advantage. Static methods can be used in, they can be carried to, see, not only this, see, in your system.out.print is there now. System dot, what is that? System.out.print statement is there now. So this out
Yes,
is
sir.
there now. Out is also static variable. Out is a static variable. I will discuss about that afterwards. Wait for a while. So you can carry the system.out also to every program or not. Are you using this almost all in every program or not?
Yes, sir.
And in the
Yeah.
days to come, there are so many such static variables and methods which can be carried to any program and use. That is the advantage. Talking about advantage. And one more advantage is less memory is used for that. You are not going to create any object for static variables. I will discuss. Wait. If I can talk about this, then you can understand the advantages and disadvantages. See, in our previous program, which I discussed just now, what is the class name and what is the object name? Please tell me.
Class is animal,
And
sir.
what is the method name? Please tell me. Method name. Bark is there, na?
We have many methods. Yeah, bark, bite, and
Yeah.
properties.
Yeah. Explain. Wait. See, for instance, let me come back to your program. See what I'm doing. Let me come back to your application one more time. See what I'm doing. Yes. I'm using static here. Okay, static. Now see what I'm doing. I invoked dog dot na. In place of that, what I am doing, you just see animal dot. Let me execute the program. What is the error? Yes, main.
Not
This is main method now. Wait. What is that? Static void. They are non-static variables are there now. Wait. Some variables are there. I will explain through another application. I don't want to disturb this. You can write static and you can
yes.
still go, but I don't want to make you confused with that. I will go with static being a fundamental application. I want to go as it is as the first one. I can change the code, but not in the first class because you'll get confused soon. See what I'm doing. Which method among these are static? Show prop, bark, bite. Bark is static
Bark
method or not? Bark is
Yeah.
static?
Yes, sir. You mentioned static for the
Bark is static now. So what I'm doing, see, object is not required. Directly class name dot. See, now I'm going to execute. See, you got same output without any problem. Have you got or not? Did you get or not?
Yes, sir.
You got
Yes,
same
sir.
output.
Yes, sir.
No props whatsoever. Because see, bark is static method. Show prop
Static.
is non-static method. Whereas
Non-static
byte
method.
is also non-static. Only one static method is there. See, here I will make a comment. Static method. This is the only static method I have gone. That is bark. So generally static methods, to invoke a static method, object is not required. Directly with the class you can invoke. Able to understand?
Yes, sir.
It is not required. Means memory is not required. In computer science, two things are very important. What are they? Can you please tell? You have done your operating system, computer organization, whatnot. Especially operating system. Your operating system.
Time complexity, sir. Time complexity.
Two things are very important in your computer science. Number one is speed. Number two is
Speed, yeah.
Memory. Yes or no? Simple question I am
Yes,
asking.
sir.
Memory and speed are very important, isn't it? You are saving
Yeah.
memory here or not? Without object, you are able to invoke a static method or not? Without
Yes,
creation
sir.
of object, yes, that is the use. That is the main benefit, advantage. But what is the disadvantage?
Sorry.
Yeah, yes.
In static, we don't allocate space, sir. I mean, if you mention static, that doesn't allocate
The
space
thing
for
is,
that.
that's what I'm telling. During JVM architecture, I will discuss about that issue, that particular issue you can
Achha,
understand. Because See, your program is divided into two sections. See, like import statement you are going to write at the top. Other than that, your application will be there, and then which method is going to be executed where? That I am going to discuss during your JVM architecture. Okay, so that connectivity is, once I draw that diagram and explain, then you can understand. 1 hour class is there regarding that.
Sir, can we
Don't worry.
mention dog bite as animal dot bite? I mean, can we use two
Sure,
statics?
sure. You are telling that in place of animal, can I write dog? Huh?
No, no, sir.
Uh,
Instead of dog bite,
uh,
the next line, the next line.
Here.
Yeah, we can remove dog and we can write animal. I mean, mentioning the
No,
bite.
no, 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 no. See. You are right. You are saying like this.
Yes, sir. If you mention
No.
bite again, I mean, if you remove void bite as static void bite.
Here you are saying static. Like
Yeah,
this.
static.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. No props. Yes.
So we can
Sure.
invoke everything using class
Yeah.
name.
Yeah. But it
Yeah.
is not good practice all the time. I will explain later on. Okay. About that
Okay.
disadvantage. During JVM architecture, you can understand where to use static and where not. Generally, please go with non-static only. Static is not good all the
Okay.
time. Some complexities will be there because your code should be secure. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Yesterday, somebody, your friend is asking, I think, about friend function. What is
Yeah.
why C++ failed miserably, Before Java, C++ has done so many things. You can do business applications also. But, there are so many minus points in C++. One of such is friend function, violating privacy. Is your friend function or friend variable, variables, what we call in C language? Yeah, variable only. Yes, variables, functions, they can be a friend or not. You might have used in
Yes.
C++. I think in C++,
Yeah.
in C++,
Yes, sir. In C++,
friend
we have
class,
friend function.
friend variable. There we call them as data members. Yes, data members, friend data members, friend classes, friend
Yeah.
functions. Friend functions are there. Yes, friend
Yeah, because
functions.
even after using public and private, the friend class can access it, sir.
Even private data can be accessed in C++.
Yeah, using
By
friend.
using
Yes.
friend means violating privacy or not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is one main disadvantage. Similarly, multiple inheritance. During inheritance, I will discuss about that issue. That is one big drawback in C++. Multiple inheritance is an utter flag in C++. And
Yes.
we actually in Java also multiple inheritance is there, but built in a different way through interfaces. I will discuss during inheritance and interfaces that issue. Don't bother. Okay, don't worry. At appropriate time, I will discuss. Just remember that's it now. Any more doubts in this application?
Nothing, sir.
So,
Nothing.
static methods generally we invoke with the help of class name. Okay, fine. So in this program, even all these things are also not required. Directly also you can call, See, one more variation I want to show you. I am not creating any object. See, I am not creating any object. Here also, no object is required. Direct call, no object, nothing. See, shall I execute now? Just simple calls, no object, no class. Able to understand? I'm removing static also, non-static methods. See what I'm doing. I'm executing. See, I'm clicking. What is the problem? Static reference to the non-static. Yeah, because they are non-static. Na? Wait. Static, sorry. Static. Wait. I will
Static.
comment for this. This portion I will make a comment. Wait. Put here. I'll put a comment here. Up to here. Yes. Now see. Still. What is that? Show prop. I have to put a comment. Na? Yeah, I kept comment. I invoked here. Na? Yeah. Yes. Now see. Yes. Got it?
Yes, sir.
See how many methods are executed? Bark and
Byte.
without
Bark and
class, neither class nor object. I have done the execution. I have invoked bark and byte neither with a class nor with object. It is possible.
object.
How? Tell me. See, this is the basic application. See, main method, byte method, bark method. Three methods I used. Of course, I'm removing the other method totally. I'm removing this part. Forget about this portion. Yes. Now see, very simple code. How many methods are there in this program? How many methods?
Bark and byte, sir.
Two methods are there.
Yeah, yeah.
And one more is there. Don't forget main method. Don't forget. How
Okay,
many?
okay. Three methods.
Among those three methods, how many static methods are there?
Two. Yeah, three.
All are static.
All are static, sir.
Yeah,
All
fine.
are static.
Another question. Among these three methods, how many user defined are there and how many predefined are there?
One predefined and two user defined.
Fine, you got all the information, right? See, all of them belong to which class? Please tell me. All of them belong to which class?
Animal class.
Perfect. You answered all questions correctly. So all belong to same class. See, three of you guys are staying in same Vizag city or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, fine. See, daily you people are meeting each other. Anyone among you, if calling like Mr. X from where you came, where you are staying, does it look good? Daily you are meeting, and one of you, say for example, X, Y, Z are there. I don't know the other two names. I cannot remember. It takes a couple of classes. Okay, X, Y, Z. Let us assume X, Y, Z daily are meeting each other in Vizag. One among them, say for example, Y is asking X from where you are staying. Daily you are coming to each other's house, and the other one is asking on one fine day that from where you are. Does it look good? No, it is not correct. No, it is not fair. For example, if I come to Vizag, then there is every chance for you to ask me from which state you came, Telangana or Maharashtra. You can ask me, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Of course, I am from Guntur actually. I am from AP only. I'm settled in Hyderabad, later in Maharashtra now. Okay, fine, leave about that. But if I come to your place, sure you are going to ask me from where you came, from which place you came, because I belong to some other state. Then, but all these methods belong to same class. Then why that discrimination? Directly you can call, no class name is required, no object is required. It will work fine. Got that point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the reason. But if a different class is there, then the things are different. See, for example, if in this program I have not done that, in a different program I will do. Here itself, shall I do one more program? You can get that answer, or shall I discuss about system.out.print? Please tell me, because time is ticking. I can go with this tomorrow. I mean, in the next class. I mean, two different classes. In one class, main method is present. In another class, some other methods are present. Like that, I will go in the next class. But now, what is the time? Time is ticking. Few minutes are there. Okay, fine. Let me open Notepad. I will go with the system.out.print. See, now you got some clarity regarding variables or methods. If it is going to be static, then what is the procedure? Class name, isn't it? Class
Yes,
name.
sir.
Yes, perfect. Class name dot variable or let us discuss about methods. Variables later on we can discuss. Method. This. Otherwise, if you want to invoke a variable, it will be something like this: class underscore name dot variable. Okay. Like that, you can call a variable. You can declare. I mean, you can call a variable, or you can invoke a variable. Call or invoke. Right. Similarly, if it is going to be non-static, see. First to create object. Then you know how to create object. Leave it. Object
Yes, sir.
dot object dot method. Object dot method. If it is going to be variable, object dot variable. Object dot variable. That is the way to do things. Okay, getting things. Yes,
Yes,
see the
sir.
difference. This is very important because the next concept is linked with that, like system.out.print. This is very much linked with that. So you ask your friends also, what is that out? You might have asked them in the past, what is out? They are calling, or your faculty also. What is that out? Have you ever asked your faculty, what is that out called as? They will tell that object.
Out.
Majority faculty will call that as object. Okay, fine. But they will call that as object. Okay, fine, I don't say no for that, but as far as this code is concerned, it is not an object. As far as this code is concerned, that is not an object. Now see, let me explain one concept here. One concept is running here. See, there is a class called as print stream. Have you heard about this print stream class?
Yes, sir.
Print
Yes, sir.
stream class. I will get
Print
this
stream.
class somewhere in files applications. I will get this.
Yes,
We will do some programs on this print stream class during files concept. Files is there na in your syllabus.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You mentioned.
Yeah. During files, I will discuss about that print stream. Don't worry. Now, see, in print stream class, there is one object called as out. Out is an object. Inside which class? Print stream class. And one more thing I want to explain you, that is, there are a couple of classes called as system. There is one class I want to explain, system. There is one class called as system, and wait. There is a method called as println. Println is a method. There is another method also. I will write here itself, otherwise println, comma, another method is print. Slight difference is there between these two. I will explain through program later on, don't worry. And I guess you know the difference between these two. Anyways, I will explain, don't worry. And now see here, see the story. I am telling that print and println are predefined or not? You can answer that. Print
Yes, sir.
print or predefined? Do you accept that?
Predefined.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And I am telling that they are non-static, predefined. This is the full information about that. Non-static predefined methods. Please study that. Println and print are non-static predefined methods. Now please tell me, how can I call? See, what is the purpose of print? Basic things. Print is a method. Method is a function present inside a class. It will do some task. What is a task being done by print method? After all, it is going to print something on your screen. Am I right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Screen means monitor, means visual display unit. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
can I ask, this is coding. Okay, fine. I know English little bit. I am telling my system like a monitor, please print Java on the screen. Will it print? Will it print? See, I am writing like this. Monitor is the object on which I have to print. Monitor is the object on which I have to print. I'm just asking like monitor, please print, or monitor dot print. Will it print? Will it print anything on the screen? No.
Nothing, sir.
Monitor is just English word. It is not coding, but it is an object. You believe that monitor is an object? Monitor is an object or not? Yes. See,
Yes.
monitor is an object. Yes, fine. Monitor is an object. And how do you represent monitor? One object is required because print and println are non-static methods. How do you call non-static methods? Please tell me. This is wrong. This is wrong. Let me write here. You can understand the scribbling. This is absolutely wrong. You cannot do like this. Print is a non-static method. How do you invoke a non-static method? See the reference here I have given. Please study this and tell on. How do you invoke a non-static method? Please tell me. How do you invoke a non-static method? Object is required or not?
Yes, sir. Object is required.
Required or not? Yeah, you are saying object is required. Yes, fine. Print is also a non-static method, or print alien. is also a non-static method, and object is required. And what is the object on which it is to be printed? Monitor. But I cannot write monitor. But I cannot write monitor. What can I write? Tell me. System
System dot out.
out dot.
Dot
Now, please
printer.
tell me what is the object. See, this is the object. See.
System.
That-
System dot out.
Yeah, system dot out is an object. See what I'm doing. See, please see this. I'm shaping this well for you. See,
Object.
object. Yes, see. Representation is there. Representing what? Representing
Monitor.
exactly.
Monitor.
Perfect. That's it. That clarity you should hold with you. Okay, this clarity should be there
Yes.
in your saying. Don't get confused or tense. System dot out, because you are programmer, you are not a normal person, isn't it? If a normal person, if I ask, generally normal people will go to a computer center, internet center, and they will say that, please let me take one printout or something like that. They will ask in English or Telugu, isn't it? But we are technical people. How do you speak? Through coding, you have to speak. How to speak? Monitor should be represented by the object known as system dot out.
System dot out.
Out is an object representing monitor. Okay, fine. Leave it. You got your answer. But what about that system dot out? See, I am telling you that out is a static variable. Out is a static variable present in system class. System is a class or not? Yes, capital letter is there
Yes,
or
yes.
not? See, system is a class.
Yes, sir.
Predefined or
Class.
user defined? Predefined or user defined?
Predefined.
Yes, perfect. So system is a predefined class, and out I am telling a static variable, and static variables are known as fields in Java. Please remember, in books they won't write all this stuff. If you refer Java documentation provided by vendor, the manufacturer is there now, who invented Java.
Yes, sir.
That fellow is going to provide the documentation. You can trust that. If you can open API, application programming interface, have you heard about that?
Okay.
API. If you install that API is the original copy. So in that you can see all this stuff. When I learned Java, I learned majority things from vendor's copy only, not from all-in-one or XYZ, isn't it? So you can study a number of books, but don't forget to study API, Java API. API I will discuss separately. It is an interview question. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It is a help file. It is a help file. It is a help file. It is an interview question actually. Help file. It is provided by Java vendor. It's a vendor's copy. So if you purchase a mobile, you'll get a small manual. Okay, if I leave it during comments, I will discuss about that. Don't worry about API. Separately, I will discuss. Now our subject matter is system.out.print. Let me complete that. Time is ticking. So out is a static variable, and static variables can be called as fields in Java. How to invoke out? Yes, please recollect your code. I have done here. Please recollect this part. How do you invoke a static variable? Please answer. Yes. Please study that code which I have highlighted and answer this question.
Using class name.
Yeah. That's why system.out. System is a class. You only told me.
Class. Yes, sir.
You only told right now. System is a class. And out is a static variable. How to invoke static variable out? System dot
using a class.
Out. System dot out. And as a whole, system dot out is called as what?
As an object.
Representing your monitor. Yes.
Monitor.
That's why people feel Java is difficult when compared with Python. Okay. But once you learn Java, because see, some small projects you can do with Python. Not an issue. Small, low budget projects. But big applications, complex applications, there is no solution in Python or .NET, especially .NET, even worse. The worst is .NET. I don't like it. I don't know anything about that, and I don't like it because it is graphical user interface, small applications you can design. Generally, Java and I mean .NET is a Microsoft product. You might have heard about that, and Java is a
Yes, sir.
Sun product. Basically,
So some product.
later on Oracle has taken over that. Nowadays, if you install JDK version, latest versions,
Yeah,
you will
Oracle.
get Oracle
Yes,
also.
sir.
In olden days, you
Yes.
go with the JDK 1.4 or 1.5. In my days, it is 1.4 and 1.5. Afterwards, 1.6 came, 1.7 came, 1.8 is there. Mine is 1.7, I think, now. The time 1.7 came itself, Oracle has taken over Sun Microsystems product, isn't it?
Yes.
That's why you'll get Oracle name also, brand name also while installing your Java. You please try that later on. Okay, leave it.
Okay.
So Microsoft and Sun Microsystems are rivalry companies. You know that? Rivalry, they are. Once they launch one application, obviously Microsoft is also going to fight for that and do something better than that. The fight is going on, and the ultimate battle is won by Java only. I mean, Sun Microsystems won the battle at last. So whatever complexities are there in the projects, you cannot go with, you cannot, I mean, .NET is not at all suggestible. Okay, even Python is not suggestible. Obvious solution is going to be Java. That's why people are running towards Java. Once you learn Java, nothing else is required, frankly speaking. Any other thing you are having, it is an added advantage itself. That's it. Okay. And along with Java, you should be strong in backend also. Backend means database. You should be strong in your SQL. Huh? SQL is there now. Just matter of 1 month.
Yes, sir.
Strong. If you, I think you being CSC student, you can learn it of your own also. SQL.
Yes, sir.
Some joins are there, joins, huh? Those joins are important, and some other things are there. Later on, I will discuss during JDBC concept. I will discuss about that. Don't worry. Those JDBC I have given in your syllabus. JDBC
Wait a minute, sir. I'll just check.
is actually part of. I did not remember whether I have added that or not in your syllabus yesterday. And AWT swings are there in advanced actually. Okay, don't worry, don't worry. During that concept, I will discuss about that. Java database connectivity. Okay, fine, leave it.
That's an advanced. Yeah.
Okay, fine, leave it, don't worry. System dot out. Now you got the shape like system dot out dot print or println, whatever
Yes,
it is.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And remaining this being a demo class, I couldn't speak more than this. 1.5 hours, it is enough, I think. Totally, I'm speaking. I'm having yet another class at 6. Can you please
Yes, sir.
permit me to leave?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. How do you feel about the class?
Hello?
Is it going well?
Yes, sir. It's going well.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Fine.
When we are going to meet again? Let me know.
Probably this ending or the next week starting, sir.
Just a minute. Prem is having one doubt. Prem is among 3 of you. Prem is there.
Yes, sir.
What
Yeah.
is your doubt, Prem? What is your doubt? Please ask me.
Could you please go to the main function, like main
What is that?
public static?
Yeah. That I have not completed. I will complete. In the next session.
What does string RX mean?
Yeah. String ARGS I did not explain. I know that because time went with this. We unfortunately jumped towards system.out.print from one step to another step. These are all links. So many links are there. I know what I left. String ARGS I did not discuss. String ARGS I did not discuss, and void also I did not discuss. These are the topics which I did not discuss today. Void, very simple issue. Void, and the other one is string ARGS. These two I will discuss in the next session. Okay, is it okay for you?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
You are going to meet. Let me have your date. Approximately at least. When can I expect
Virinchi.
you guys?
Sir, we'll let you know by today evening, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll
Sir,
text
we'll
you,
let you know by
sir.
today evening.
Okay,
I'll
Lishan is there.
text you, sir.
also.
I'll text you.
Yeah, Lishan. I think
Yeah.
Lishan is your name. You are getting all the way.
Yeah,
down.
yes, sir,
Okay,
Lishan.
fine. Yeah, fine. It's all.
I'll text you, sir.
Okay, it's all.
Yes.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.